Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video from me for you. Today let me introduce you to the GlobaLink Christmas Star Curtain Lights with 12 stars and 138 light emitted diodes. And these fairy lights are connectable. These are a star window light, as you can see. It's waterproof. It's a nice Christmas fairy lights with A modes for indoor and outdoor home decoration, for wedding party, bedroom, and of course Christmas decoration too. This brings beauty and romance feeling to our home. After a day of busy work, we come back to home, combined by the family, a bit of this starlight, lazy to enjoy the warmth of our home. The star string lights can be connectable, which provide more possibilities for our courtyard decoration. Up to 21 strands can be connected. Wow! This Christmas starlight has 8 different modes with memorable controller, combination in waves, sequential, Slo-Glo, chasing, flash, slow fade, twinkle flash, and of course the good old steady on. With memory function, the GlobaLink fairy string lights will remember the last settings mode. We do not need to reset every time. This Windows Star Xmas lights with low output voltage of 31 voltage. That means it's lower than the human safety voltage set to 31 volt. Low power consumption and eco-friendly to children and pets. We don't worry about safety when we touch it. The LED warm white light source can protect our eyes and keep this curtain string light staying cool even after a long time of usage. The hanging starlights with 12 stars, 6 big and 6 small ones, and 138 pieces of LED lights inside, which makes this more brighter than other strings lights, but not dazzling. And it is waterproof IP44 rated. This is ideal for both indoor and outdoor decoration. It's perfect decoration for the bedroom, for windows, for Christmas and Halloween parties, and of course, wedding festivals. You see, you can use it where you like, and it comes from GlobaLink. They are looking for the length and the style of different types of string lights. They will help us to find the best fairy light for the outdoor area. GlobaLink has different types of lights, different colors and length, curtain lights, fairy lights, mm, all kinds of lights, snowflake lights, star lights, battery operated and powered lights, as shown here. And GlobaLink wishes to make it a nice home for us. Well, we are looking for lights and the style of the different types of Christmas lights. We would like to transform our outdoor area into a relaxing and nice place with fairy lights. They will help us to find the best light source for us. The string lights are great to hanging around the perimeter of a balcony, while curtain lights can be hung on a pergola roof to create a wall. The GlobaLink has different types of them and different colors too. The curtain lights, fairy lights, icicle lights, snowflake lights, star lights, colorful lights, warm white lights, blue lights, battery operated and powered lights. We can choose what we like. It goes perfectly within our room. It creates a warm and gentle sleeping environment, and it decorates our home and our moments of happiness too. It creates excellent lighting and a warm atmosphere and spreads the light and joy over a wide area. It is not only perfect LED Christmas string light for the Christmas decoration, but it's also decoration for indoor and outdoor at every day in the year. This makes our own unique light decoration for our bedroom, for wedding room, for parties, for Christmas time, and. With these star window curtain lights, we can choose different shape and enjoy different beauty. Because on the market, it's available in different sizes. We can choose a three-star model with 30 LEDs, a three-star model with 135 LEDs, a 12-star model with 108 LEDs, and this 12-star model with 138 LEDs. This is the awesome GlobaLink Christmas Star Curtain Lights. 12 stars and 138 LEDs. It's a connectable star window light. It's waterproof and awesome for Christmas and decoration. It's a fairy light with 8 modes where we can control with the plug button easily. It's for indoor and outdoor use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.